In the sun-scorched skies over North Africa, a new kind of storm is brewing. Not of sand, but of afterburners and advanced radar. Morocco, longtime operator of the F16 Fighting Falcon, is making a monumental leap, upgrading its entire fleet to the F16 Block 72 Viper, the most advanced version ever to fly over Africa. This move signals Morocco's intent to modernize its military muscle and sends ripples across the region. Right next door, Algeria watches closely, fielding a formidable air force built around powerful Russian-made jets. The big question: can Morocco's new Vipers challenge Algeria's aerial dominance? It's quality versus quantity, Western precision against Russian power. On one side, the agile, networked F-16, on the other, the larger, potent Sukhoi fighters. This isn't just about dogfights, it's a strategic contest of technology, training, numbers, and alliances that will define the region's balance of power. For Morocco, the Viper upgrade is about securing borders and projecting strength. For Algeria, maintaining air superiority is a matter of pride and necessity, built on years of investment in top-tier Russian hardware. To understand what's at stake, let's dive into the machines at the heart of this high-stakes aerial chess match. What makes Morocco's F16 Block 72 Viper so special? Imagine a classic sports car rebuilt by a Formula One team. The key upgrade, the AN/APG-83 SABAR radar, an AESA system like that in the F-35, giving pilots unmatched vision and target tracking. The Viper's arsenal includes the AIM-120C8 AMRAAM missile, allowing pilots to strike from miles away, often before the enemy even knows they're there. It's a fully networked jet, sharing data in real time with other aircraft and command centers, enabling coordinated, efficient attacks. The new L3 Harris Viper Shield electronic warfare suite acts as a virtual shield, jamming enemy radars and protecting the jet from threats. In modern air combat, this electronic edge can mean life or death. The cockpit is redesigned with a high-res display, streamlining information and reducing pilot workload. All these upgrades combine to create a lethal, survivable, and highly advanced fighter. The Viper is a true 4.5 generation jet, designed to dominate through superior information and technology. For Morocco, it's a generational leap, one that could redefine its place in the region. But how does it stack up against Algeria's heavyweight fleet? Let's find out. Now let's look at Algeria's heavyweight, the Sukhoi Su30 MKA flanker. If the F-16 is a nimble scalpel, the Su-30 is a powerful broadsword, nearly twice the size, with thrust-vectoring engines for jaw-dropping maneuvers. Its size means more weapons, more fuel, and a much longer range, allowing deep strikes and extended patrols. Algeria's fleet of over 50 Su-30 MKAs gives it a clear numerical and operational edge. The flanker's large piece of radar isn't as advanced as the F-16's AESA, but its sheer power allows it to detect targets at great distances. The Su-30's two-person crew, pilot and weapons officer, can manage complex missions and multiple threats more effectively. This fleet forms the backbone of Algeria's air power, built for dominance and endurance. For years, these jets have given Algeria undisputed air superiority in the region. Now, Morocco's Vipers are set to challenge that dominance. But Algeria has another card to play. Algeria is expected to be among the first to field Russia's most advanced fighter, the stealthy Su-57 Felon. The Su-57 is a true fifth-generation jet, designed for stealth, with internal weapons and a radar-evading shape. Its arrival would change the game, making it nearly invisible to conventional radars like those on the F-16. The Su-57 sensor suite fuses multiple radars and infrared systems, giving pilots a 360-degree view and unmatched situational awareness. This allows the Su-57 to detect, target, and strike before being seen, a massive tactical advantage. For Morocco, facing a stealth opponent would force a complete rethink of air defense strategy. The Su-57 represents a quantum leap, cementing Algeria's position as the region's preeminent air power. The stakes are higher than ever. How do these rival strategies stack up? Morocco and Algeria's air forces reveal two distinct philosophies. Morocco is betting on a smaller, high-tech fleet, 48 F-16 Vipers, all networked and advanced. The idea superior technology and training can offset numerical inferiority. Algeria, meanwhile, fields over 50 Su-30 MKAs plus MiG-29S, giving it a clear numbers advantage. More jets mean more airspace controlled, more targets engaged, and greater resilience in conflict. Morocco sources its hardware from the US, ensuring top-tier tech and NATO interoperability, but at a higher cost and with political strings. Algeria relies on Russian suppliers, building a large, robust force at a competitive price. These different suppliers create two distinct ecosystems, Western versus Russian doctrine, training and tactics. The F16 Viper may have a tech edge, but the Su30 MKA wins on range and payload. With the Su57 on the horizon, Algeria's technological edge is set to grow. It's a classic matchup of quality versus quantity, and the outcome is anything but certain. So, does Morocco's upgrade shift the balance? Does Morocco's F16 Viper upgrade shift the balance of power? Not entirely. The Viper dramatically boosts Morocco's defensive capabilities, making any attack far riskier for Algeria. Its advanced radar and missiles create a formidable shield over Moroccan airspace. But air superiority is about more than defense, it's about controlling the skies and projecting power. Algeria's larger, longer-range fleet and the looming Su57 mean it will likely retain regional dominance. Morocco's Vipers are elite sentinels, making the country a much harder target. But Algeria still has the bigger army and the tools to break through. The upgrade is a smart, necessary move for Morocco, but it's reactive, meant to deter, not dominate. The strategic balance is more contested but still tilted toward Algeria. Morocco can hold the line, but the skies above the Maghreb remain fiercely contested. Looking ahead, the Morocco-Algeria air rivalry will only intensify. Morocco's priority is mastering the Viper's new tech and tactics, making its air force a tough defensive force. To truly balance the scales, Morocco may need to expand its fleet or seek even more advanced jets, like the F-35. Algeria, meanwhile, will focus on integrating the Su-57, combining stealth and firepower for a layered, potent offense. This arms race creates a fragile stability, deterrence through mutual risk, but also rising tension and spending. Each new system, from Viper to Felon, raises the stakes. The future will be defined by this delicate balance, as both nations navigate the turbulent air currents of regional politics.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.